So if I have an animation, looks like I have about 8 seconds worth here. I might go a little bit further. If I want things to loop, you can see the position here of the legs is there, and at the end it's up there. So we want it to return to wherever this position is. So I am going to need to copy and paste the beginning keyframes to a specific point at the end. So I'm going to go, let's just say exactly 9 seconds, 8 and 29 frames. And I'm going to copy this first keyframe and paste it here at the ending point. Now I can also take my work area bar and bring it to that ending point wherever that laser is. So let me zoom in. I know I'm on the anchor point because I can jump to it right here, and that's where we want the work area to end. So I'm at that exact spot, and each of these beginning keyframes is going to be copied and pasted so that the legs return to their starting position and there won't be a big jump at the end as it loops. So that's really important to have the beginning and ending parts exactly the same. So now when I press play here and it loops around, we should not see any jumping. So it's going to go slow and then faster, and then goes back to its beginning position and starts over again. So that is something that we want so that we can just let it play over and over. Even a short animation can make for a longer video or an animated GIF that just keeps on going.